Still?
Yes.
ليش لسه عم نحل probability؟
شو هنحل؟
ما بعرف غير درس يعني ريفيو هلا.
Yes. From Monday we start reviewing.
سجل شو بدنا نعمل؟
Reviewing.
خلص خلص ما في غير درس.
لا ما هيدا السيكونس مش مطلوب لكم هيدا السنة،
ايه
بس بدي أحل كم واحد مع انتجرالز. سيكونس مع انتجرالز
ليش؟
شو؟
ليش؟
ممكن يجي انتجرال.
آه.
خلصتوا أني سبجكت؟ خلصتوا كيمستري ولا بعد؟
بعد
خلصنا بيولوجي.
بيولوجي خلصتوا؟ جود. فيزيكس
بظن ما بعرف فيزيكس.
تاريخ جغرافيا تربية.
اصلا هيدول ما راح ناخذ استاذ.
شو بدك تنقي؟ What you want to choose?
ما بعرف يا جغرافيا يا تربية.
Don't take جغرافيا لأنه جغرافيا ما بيجيبوا علامات كتير عالية بالجغرافيا.
ايه بدي اخذ تاريخ.
يا تربية يا تاريخ ما بعرف. اوكي خلينا
تاريخ
نبلش.
كثير استاذ.
طيب تربية.
ايه احسن شيء بظن.
Okay, so هذا 11 شوي difficult, you have to pay attention. So in a school, each student of GS
There's Chris the waiting room.
عملت له صار كريس in the meeting. So in a school, each student of the GS and LS sections practices only one sport. The students are distributed in the following table: life science, general science, and the type of sport they practice. The name of each student is written on a separate card where all the 20 cards used are identical. Part A. The cards carrying the names of LS student are placed in a box B1. So بالbox B1 حطينا اللايف ساينس. اللايف ساينس يعني 1 فوتبول، 6 باسكت و 3 tennis. In all we have 10 students. بالجنرال ساينس حطينا we put them in a box B2. In this box حطينا 4 practices football, 4 football, 4 basketball, and 2 tennis. Okay, بقلنا هلا here. So the cards of the life science are placed in a box B1, and the cards of the general science are put in the box B2. The school principal chooses at random a box, then he draws randomly and simultaneously 2 cards from the chosen box. So after putting the names of the students into separate boxes, okay, the headmaster or the principal of the school chooses a box at random. He chooses box B1 or B2. Then he chooses the name of two students. Consider the following events. E, the chosen box is B1. S, the two cards carry the names of two students who practice the same sport. S, the two drawn cards carry the names of two students who practice the same sport. So, since here we have two steps, first step we have to choose a box, then we choose the name of two students. It is better to make a small tree. So in this tree, I have to choose either box B1 or box B2. Choosing box B1, it is called E.
أستاذ أنا عم بغربت يعني بالتري بشو بدي بلش RS GS ولا B1 B2
هي ذاتها B1 B2. either B1 اسمها E، اسمها لايف ساينس، وإي بار اسمها جنرال ساينس B2 يعني. هو قايلنا you use the letters that are mentioned. E, the chosen, first we are going to choose a box, either B1, B2. To choose B1 is called E. To choose B2 is called E bar. What is the chance to choose E, box B1?
$50
Is half. Here is half. He is interested in the event S that the two students carry the name, practice the same sport. S given E, S given, or S bar given E. I don't know S given E, but I have to calculate it. So this is S bar. Here, S given E bar, or not S, given E bar. So whenever we have percentages or two events occurring after each other, we make a tree in order to show. Not necessary, not obligatory, but it helps you to solve the problem. Show that probability S given E equal 2/5. Who can tell how to calculate probability S given E?
How two students who play tennis, how two students who play basketball.
9 من أي صف؟
Less.
Okay, probability 2 basket from where? من LS or 2 tennis LS equals combination total 10 choose 2 here 2 basket, 2 from how much basket of life science? 6 plus 2 from 3. equals 2/5. So here 2/5, it becomes 2/5.
هي شو BLS P2B
Which one? 2 basketball from life science or 2 tennis from life science?
اوكي.
سيز الأس
Yes.
يعني شو؟ الأس ما فهمت.
Yes.
أس هيدا إيفنت أس.
Event S, the two students practice the same sport. Either they practice football or basketball or tennis. Practice the same sport.
ما بناخد فوتبول لأنه ألس بس في one student.
Yes. Can we take two students playing practice football from life? No. What is the probability that E intersection S? Equals probability of E times probability of S given E. Equals half times 2/5 equals 1/5.
أستاذ ما عم بفهم هونيك سي تشوز شو هي بعدين بلس
plus
سي
2
6
choose 5 2 choose 3 هيدي 3 أول واحد والثاني أول واحد 6
6 وبعدين بلس اس.
لك وينها هون إذا بدك.
اوكي 1 minute. ماشي أستاذ. done.
اوكي وإذا بدك probability that E intersection S it is here. Probability that E intersection S equal probability that E times probability that S given E. Now how to calculate the probability that S? How to calculate probability that S?
E intersection S
Yes.
plus E bar intersection S.
Okay. Probability لل E intersection S أو probability لل S equal rule of total probability. Either they are same sport from the life science or same sport from general science. E intersection S is determined 1/5. Probability that E bar intersection S is probability that E bar times probability that S given E bar. Probability that S E bar intersection S equal probability that E bar times probability that S given E bar. Probability that S given E bar, they are from general science and they, knowing that we choose the general science class, show you probability they practice the same sport from the general science class. Either I have 2 football or 2 basketball or 2 tennis. So if E bar is given, and if we choose the general science class, for the students to practice the same sport, either they are two football, or two players of basketball, or two players of tennis. So we write here, probability of S given E bar, either two football from general science, or two basketball, knowing that they are from general science, or two tennis, general science. So I need two football, 2 from 4. كمان 2 basket, I have 4 players of basket, 2, 4. Tennis, I have 2 players of tennis, 2 choose 2, over 10 choose 2. We get 13 over 45. This is S given E bar. So probability del E bar intersection S equal probability del E bar, which is half, times 13 over 45. It is equal 13 over 90. Haikas, did you finish writing?
Yes, this.
Anybody is still writing? So probability del S will be probability
Rule
del
of
S.
total.
هي rule of total probability هي S intersection E, which is 1 over 5, plus probability del S intersection E bar, we get 31 over 90.
أستاذ بس تست كان جايب شوية أصعب.
تست أصعب؟
إيه هي تاني بارت.
وكيف عملته صح؟ تاني مرة بدي أعطي لسه different copy.
مو لسه أستاذ. أخذ وقت معنا ما شفت أخذنا.
ايه يا استاذ كان طويل.
طويل. انتم ما عم تعملوا براكتس كل يوم بيوم.
لا استاذ عم حل كل يوم انا.
عم بقول مش انت، غيرك. Part 2. Knowing that part 2. Knowing that the two selected cards carry the name of two students who practice different sport. What is the probability that these two students are in life science class? What we are going to calculate in this part? Probability of what? Knowing that شو بدي اكتب؟
هات تحت اس.
They carry the names of two students who practice different sports.
يعني اس بار.
S bar. The selected students are from life science class.
اي.
E. What is the rule of this event? How to calculate the rule? I forget to do it here.
P intersection PE intersection S bar هيك.
PE intersection S bar. Okay. Equal probability del E intersection S bar
over P S bar.
over probability del S bar. How to calculate probability del E intersection S bar?
أول نعمل 1 minus probability للأس.
No تحت 1 minus probability للS فوق E intersection S bar.
كان عندنا PS total probability من هونيك نعمل minus.
So it is equal probability of E times probability of S bar over E over 1 minus probability للS equal half times S given E. إذا طلعنا على 3 هيدي طلعت معنا 2 over 5. هي بتكون هي S bar بتكون هيدي 3 على 5. This is S bar بتكون 3 على 5 half times 3 على 5
أستاذ هيدا البي هي سؤال.
هيدا بعدنا بارت 2 هيك
شو هيدا؟ TE times P.
S given E.
S bar given E.
S bar given E, yes. 1 minus 31 over 90. بتلاقوا هذا الأنسر على الكالكوليتر. إذا حدا معه كالكوليتر يلاقي لنا هيدا قد. Now assume in this part that 20 cards carrying the names of the students are placed together in a box B. هلا حطينا ببوكس B واحد كلهم ال 20 students. 3 cards are drawn simultaneously and at random from this box. So the 20 students, the cards حطيناهم in the same box and we choose simultaneously 3 cards. Prove that the probability that the 3 students drawn, the 3 drawn cards carry the names of 3 students who practice the same sport. شو معنى probability same sport؟
يعني 3 football, 3 basketball or 3 tennis.
Okay, part B. Three same sport, either probability 3 football or 3 basketball or 3 tennis. From the total, I need 3 football from the total, which is 5. 3 tennis, 3 basket from the 10. And 3 tennis from the 5. Over total 20, I have to choose 3. We get 7 over 57. Any questions?
أستاذ بس وعمل.
Yeah. Done, Haikaz?
Yes.
Let x be a random variable equal to the number of sports practiced by the 3 students. X is the number of sports practiced by the 3 students whose names are written on the 3 cards. Determine the probability distribution of x. X is number of sports practiced upon choosing by 3 students. What are the possible values of x first?
1, 2, 3.
What's meant x equal 1?
يعني 1 sport.
You like what? So x
يعني
equal 1.
like football.
X equal 1, 2, 3. Probability that x equal 1 is equal probability of 3 same sport. يعني بيكون sports practice in one sport practiced among, if I take 3 football, means one sport is practiced. It is equal 7 over 57.
كيف
هيدا من هون.
هيك؟
هيكاز أخذت 3 students. For example, if I take 3 football players, how many sports practiced by these 3 students?
1.
1. Or 3 basket, 1 sport, or 3 tennis. So x equal 1, and we have 1 sport is practiced by the 3 students. Now x equal 3. What's meant x equal 3? X equal 3, and I have 3 sports practiced. 1 football, 1 basketball, 1 tennis. 1 football, 1 from 5. 1 basket, 1 from 10. 1 tennis, 1 from 5. Over total, 20 choose 3. We get 25 over 114. هلا how to calculate probability that x equal 2? Probability that x equal 2 can be calculated by 2 ways. Either I said probability that x equal 2 equal 1 minus probability that x equal 1 minus probability that x equal 3, or if I need to calculate it using combinations, x equal to, you need 2 sports, you need either 2 football, 1 other, or 2 basketball, 1 other, or 2 tennis and 1 other. For 2 sports to be practiced, 2 football, 1 other, 2 basket, 1 other, or 2 tennis and 1 other. 2 football, 2 from 5. 1 other, 1 from the remaining 15. Or 2 basket, I have 10 basket players, the others are 10, I need 1. 2 basket from the 5, 1 from the other, 1 from 15. We get 25 over 38. Or probability that x equal 2 equal 1 minus probability that x equal 1 minus probability that x equal 3. We get also the same result. Okay, this is all for today.
اوكي.
For tomorrow,
Okay.
prepare 2010 second chance. ايوه نحط هذا الميوزك.
Okay.
2010 second chance.
اوكي
Bye.
Bye bye.
يلا
يا
باي.
Bye. Hi Kaz, did you finish writing?
يس يس.
Yes, yeah.
باي.
Bye.